Guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your ring camera not detecting motion. So here are few fixes for your motion zone, sensitivity and modes. Step 1. Check motion detection. Open the ring app and select your camera. Tap motion settings. Make sure motion detection is turned on. Step 2. Adjust motion zones. Open motion zones in the ring app. Expand the detection area to cover driveways, walkways, and entry points. Save the new zone settings. Step 3. Increase motion sensitivity. Go to the motion settings, move the motion sensitivity slider higher. Test the camera by walking through the detection area. Step 4. Check Wi-Fi signal. Open device held in the Ring app. Verify the camera has a strong Wi-Fi connection. Move the router closer or reboot the router if the signal is weak. Step 5. Recharge or check power. Check the battery level in device health. Recharge or replace the battery if it is low. For wired models, confirm the power connection is secure. Step 6. Reboot the camera. Open device health and tap reboot this device. If unavailable, disconnect power for 30 seconds and reconnect it. Step 7. Verify camera placement. Mount the camera about 48 inches, that's 1.2 m above the ground. Ensure there are no walls, plants, or objects blocking the sensor. Step 8. Reset the camera. Press and hold the setup or reset button until the LED flashes. Wait for the reset to complete. Set up the camera again in the Ring app. Step 9. Contact Ring support. If motion detection still does not work after resetting, you can contact Ring support to check for hardware or sensor issues. Have your camera model name and number ready before contacting support. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.